Avocado farmers in Gatundu North, Kiambu County are taking decisive steps to reclaim control of their produce and earnings following years of losses caused by an entrenched network of middlemen in the avocado value chain. This is as farmers began mobilizing under the Ashindi Kiambu Community Association, a community-driven initiative aimed at empowering local growers through collective action and while organizing under a cooperative structure. They hope to streamline sales, reduce losses, and stabilize incomes.
Zinatunulia shilingi 5, shilingi fuete tunanunulia shilingi 5 na hash tunanunulia karibu shilingi 7 hivi. Na tunasikia inchi za nje kama Belgium na pahali pengine inatoka 500 shillings. Kwa hivyo tunaona tunanyanyaswa sana.
Saizi tunaona inaweza make profit kwa maisha ya youth ni avocado.
Please join the organization where they will guide you from planting, from seedling until you harvest, and whereby you earn 400 per avocado when they are shipped to Europe or to Dubai, because in Europe they do make a lot of profit from those avocados.
We've planted about 3,000 seedlings. In our nursery we have 6,000 to 7,000 more to go. We want to do 54,000 trees in the next 2 years. So that's the goal, and that's the impact that we are creating in our community. We want to create that corporate society or cooperative society of avocado farmers so that we can kill the middle people who are making our farmers suffer. And avocados should not be selling 10 shillings abroad. That is not good, because abroad you can buy that one piece at even 200 or 400 shillings, depending on which country you're part of or which country you're in.